I'm Zach Picard, and I'm a group product manager at Pentair. I have the luxury of getting to spend a lot of time with customers and pool builders.
I am Carlos Villegas. I bought the house, the pool came with it, and I actually did a lot of work to get it going. I like the fact that I can have company over, the grandkids use it quite a bit. It's a gathering place for not only my grandkids, my neighbors. Everybody kind of comes over and hangs out. The pool lights, they actually consume quite a bit of energy. They don't produce enough brightness, enough light at night.
So last night we came out to Carlos's pool to check out his lights. The lights kind of projected out in a beam shape that looked like triangles. And since the lights are next to each other, we noticed that there was sort of an inverse triangle going the other direction of a dark area that wasn't as well lit. And we had some folks in the pool, and we noticed that, even when they swam in front of the light, you were seeing them go from a light area right into a dark area. We saw some opportunities where we could fill in some dark areas better by upgrading to the IntelliBrite architectural series.
That is an old school light.
The IntelliBrite architectural series, they work great with Pentair automation. So with the quick push of a button on your smartphone, their pool lights up as soon as the sun goes down.
I'm so excited. I'm really looking forward to seeing the new lights. 3, 2, 1, lights. Wow, unbelievable. That is unreal, guys. No dark areas, nothing at all. The pool is completely lit. It's almost going from like Stone Age to the modern age. Before we saw like the triangle patterns and then we see some areas that are dark. I don't see that anymore. I can see the bottom of the pool, which I could not really see before from the deep end. I can't be any happier than what I am right now.